Hey YouTube, today's a pretty exciting day for me because the UPS guy just came by and dropped off 3 new egg boxes. So let's find out what's in them. Alright, so in this first box we have, looks like, 2 Western, oh it's just one, huh. Western Digital 1.5 terabyte caviar green or whatever. So in the second box, packet information. Looks like we've got 2 hard drives in this one. First hard drive, but with 4 of them, as you'll soon see, that should be plenty of hard drive to get some decent read and write speeds. Alright, so this is the 5-bay hard drive enclosure, and it's got a RAID card, and I am planning to do RAID 5 along with 4 of these Western Digital drives. This package seems pretty nice, a little bit nicer than I was expecting. And here is the 4th drive, and as I said, it is a 5-bay hard drive enclosure, so I'll be able to add an additional drive if I need to later down the road. But for now, I think 6 terabytes, but with the RAID 5, it will end up being 4.5 terabytes of usable hard drive space. Then you have to take into account the formatting, so we'll see how much we actually can use, but it should be enough. Right now, I currently only have about 1.5, yeah, I'd say about 1.5 terabytes of data. But I will be filming a lot of HD content with my DSLR cameras, so that's why, one of the reasons why I need so much hard drive space.